Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so this one is really about sort of the structure of a chromosome, actually. So it gives us a picture of 23 homologous pairs of chromosomes, but asks us to just sort of focus on one. And so we have these two chromosomes then. And each sort of individual one is a homolog, right? And so homologous chromosomes are chromosomes of the same morphology, right? And so they're both a structure 1 chromosome, whereas a structure 1 chromosome and a structure 5 chromosome would not be a homolog, say. So if we also had say like a little structure 5 chromosome, okay, then this one here and this one here would not be a homolog. Okay, so let this be 5. But then two within the same structure are homologs. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. And the idea being that if they're homologs, they have genes on the same location. So our gene for eye color might be here, right? And our gene for height might be here. Of course, genes are a little bit more complex than just one for every feature, but we sort of get the idea. They're going to be in the same location, right? So whereas maybe on gene 5 here, we have our gene for our skin color, right? And so you can see then there's no, these two cannot be homologs, right? Because the one on the left does not have a gene for skin, whereas this one on the right does. So having the same gene, like gene locations, is what makes them homologous, right? And then these two chromosomes, right? So one sort of comes from your mom or parent 1, and the other one's going to come from dad, right? So this is what happens when we have our 2 haploid cells. So mom gives us an N haploid cell, right? And then dad is going to give us their haploid cell, and this equals our diploid cell. Okay, so each one comes from a different parent, and that's why you can get, say, one eye color. Maybe mom gives you your brown eye gene at this loci and loci, and dad gives you your blue-eyed gene, right? So you can have different nucleotides for the same gene, but the genes themselves will be in the same spot. So you can see then the thing that's incorrect from all these statements is going to be B. The genes are not in different loci of a homologous pair, right? They're in the same area. So B is the answer for the incorrect statement.